Have you ever wanted to know how to easily start investing in stocks today as a beginner? It's not rocket science. Let me show you how. Come on. All right, so this is just a quick guide that I have put together for y'all to follow. This is beginner friendly, so if you're not a beginner, go ahead and skip this video. But if you are a beginner, go ahead and stay so I can walk you through it, break it down for you. All right, so the first thing is you want to start with a beginner friendly app or platform. It doesn't matter what it is to get started. Find which one is user friendly for you. You pick one. Simple as that. Now, all the ones that I have listed, they're pretty much beginner friendly and they're free. So that's good, right? Everybody likes free stuff. So my favorite to start with is E-Trade. Then you got Webull. Then you got Fidelity, Robinhood, Acorns. The list goes on. So research, find which one that you can get into and that's user friendly for you. And then we're going to start with that. All right. So that's the first step. Find a brokerage account or any investing platform that allows you to buy stocks. All right. That's the first step. All right. So the second step is all you need is really your smartphone. Like you already have that. If you're watching this video, you already have a smartphone. So you're already halfway there with that. And basically, you just go on your um, Google Play Store or whatever app store you can get trading apps or investing apps, and you go ahead and download, or just go to the website. It's gonna be the same thing. All right. So once you get that, you're gonna open the app, download the app, go on, sign up for an account. It's free, and basically you're gonna search for a stock. When you search the stock, now before you do the search of the stock that you want, I'd highly recommend that you pick something that you already using in your day to day. So let's just start with Apple. I don't like Apple. I'm with Android, but for all the people that use Apple products like phones, laptops, things like that, I would start with that. This is just an example. So you basically go on there, you type in the Apple stock ticker, the ticker symbol, which I think is AAPL for Apple, and you search it up. Then it's gonna bring up the symbol, the company, and the price of that stock. So that's why I say research which stocks you want to invest in first. Like I said, I recommend that you pick a stock or a company that you already use their products. You know what I'm saying? Because if nothing else, they're not gonna go out of business because you are the consumer. So invest in things that you already consume. So you're basically gonna open up your app. You're gonna search the stock that you want to buy, and then you're gonna find where it says every platform is different, but you're basically gonna find where it says buy, okay? And then you're gonna put in the price that you want to pay or however much it is for you to buy that stock, and then you go ahead and buy it. It's simple as that, really. So basically, you find the stock, research which one you want to buy, hit buy. It's a done deal, okay? So like I said before, my tips are to start with companies that you know what I'm saying you're already involved in, and then you can start with small investments and diversify to reduce risk. So basically, you can add like different types of stocks. You can add blue chip stocks, dividend stocks. I like dividend stocks. That's my personal favorite. But I highly recommend that you start with small and then you build up your portfolio like I did. You know what I'm saying? You can start with as little as, you know, a couple of dollars, you know what I'm saying? You can put in $100, $50, however much you're able to invest, however much you're comfortable with investing, that's what you start with, okay? There's no cap, there's no limit. That's basically what you want to do. So, like I said, review. Start beginner friendly apps, make an account, it's free. Download the app, then you want to pick whichever one that you want to use, stock you want to invest in. Once you do that, then you go ahead and hit buy. That's as simple as that. You literally go. That's how you invest in the stock market. So pick a company that you're familiar with, that you're already consuming, buy, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? And then that's how you get into investing right real quick. As simple as that. So yeah, definitely. If you want me to make another video about this, going in more depth, more details about how to set the what your settings is going should be when you're buying, what to look for, different apps or platforms to research about the stock, I can make that too. Definitely drop a comment if you want that. And yeah, so if you want to get into investing today, I advise you to follow these steps and definitely let me know what your experience is, which platform you use is in the comment. Yeah, so if you're ready to start, follow me for more content like this and drop a comment. Let me know if this was helpful. Peace.